When I was first hired by R.H. White, or when I first came here for an interview, to tell you the truth, I knew very little about it. And back in those days, we didn't have the internet, and there were no websites. And there was, word of mouth was really how you learned a little bit about a company. And I was hired as a project manager in the building division. We were involved in a lot of different types of building. My first jobs were dormitory renovations at Assumption College, building a bookstore at Clark University, building a warehouse for Waterworks Supply in Oxford. So at first here, I worked a lot within the building, doing very traditional kind of work. And I ended up working on a couple of pumping stations, and as it turned out, I actually was good at that kind of work. So the pumping stations turned into treatment plants, and then treatment plant renovation turned into buildup of the complete water treatment plant. I worked as a project manager for approximately 15 years, at which point I became the director of the mechanical division. What I like about R.H. White primarily is the people that I work with, the attitude of the people that I work with, and how we interact with each other and really do care about each other. We work in many different places within New England, so I get to see a large part of New England through the process of completing jobs. I get to travel into Connecticut or travel into New Hampshire or the various parts of New England. I love the diversity of the work that we do. I like the sense of accomplishment that I get from actually being able to build something from the ground up, and when you're done with the job, there's a tangible object that we've created. There's a real sense of accomplishment to that.